to replace the sun visor clips, those hooks on a Q50 Infiniti. There's a slot on the back. You need to put a screwdriver, a tiny one, and depress this part. You press it and then you twist it. And you hold the screwdriver at an angle, not flat, but more like 45 degrees. When you feel something, you start to turn this, it falls out. And to remove the handle, grab handle for the headliner, it doesn't matter front or rear, you need to depress this little tab and slide this little block forward, up actually, forward up. You do it on both sides. It's easier with two hands. And then you just pull it out.